how to set up Manychat on Instagram. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in Manychat. And the first thing that you're going to do in Manychat is of course create your account. When you're creating your account, it's already going to prompt you to connect your Instagram account. So we're not going to go over that right now because to be able to access what I'm seeing, you should have connected your Instagram right away. Now, in Manychat, it's very useful for having automation that would allow you to communicate with your customers or with your audience automatically using automations. As you can see here in automations, which is a very big and important feature of Manychat, you can see here we have three main automation. We have auto DM links from comments, which will send a link when people comment on a post or reel. You also have story reply, which sends a direct message when someone replies to your story, or direct messages over here, which automatically replies when someone sends you a DM. You could also choose between any of this, or you could also go with start from scratch here, which will allow you to create your own automation with your own conditions and actions that you want to do. For example, over here, we have two main things. We have our trigger and then the action over here. So among the different triggers that you could choose from, you have user comments on your posts or reels, user replies to your story, user sends a message, they click an Instagram ad, user comments on your live, or so on and so forth. Let's say sends a message. Over here, you can even detect specific words in the message. So if they sent you a specific keyword, let's say business, and you have a reel saying that just send me a DM and type or send business and I will send you this file. This is what people are actually using. So we could even use this, or you could even have recognized intention of a message over here as one of your triggers. So over here, so let's say if let's say a cool as a keyword over here, we could also add another message condition over here. But anyway, this is our condition. So if the user send the term cool, we will have a trigger over here, and then you can now add the text or the reply that you want to have. You can even add some images over here, or a delay, or even some data collections that you could do. So let's say hello as our reply over here. Even add another quick reply over here if you prefer, and you can even add a button over here if you prefer. But anyway, after this, you could also choose another step if you prefer, where you have another message or an AI step as well, and so on and so forth. Or you can even click on set live over here to get started or to begin your automation, as you can see. So that's basically how you could set up our Manychat over here. If you want to be able to check out more of Manychat without any restriction, click the link in the description below and to get started for free. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.